Hello, everyone. Day 18. If them 18 days, if one day was a year, we would be grown ups now, but it was just 18 days. So this is the code call of 100 days of code with Leon
Leon
Anderson.
Anderson.
Leon Hyder had I was really tired of really only did it at the end. And yeah, hi, Leon.
Yes, we've got to practice that to get it.
We already had 18 days effective and nested up in the 18th day.
It's not 100% easy to understand you, so sometimes I might have to ask. But I guess it's the usual question of how I'm doing.
Yes, exactly.
Yes. So I am doing. I'm happy that I had a little bit more time than yesterday. Still not as much as before, but I'm progressing even further into being able to have more and more time for coding. And I would say, so today I did the homework again. Did the homework again to do the reducer function, to do what's under the hood of the reduce function using a reducer function or the reduce method using a reducer function, and also putting putting the filter and a map function inside of the reducer function. So basically trying to go as low level as I can do at this point. I looked up if I could do the same with the push method as well, but ChatGPT says it's about I would have to know what was it, memory allocation and working with data structures. I didn't have that before, so I was like, okay, that's not a challenge for now to look what's under the hood of push. Maybe soon. I hope so. Curious about that. And yeah, the biggest lesson for today that I noticed right away was that, like, usually I finished exercises that were in relationship to videos that I've seen on that day and seeing lessons that referring to lessons I did that day, I watched that day, and there's a huge difference in that and just trying to do it out of the cold, just without any context, going back into coding mode, and not only going into coding mode but also having all the context in mind. And I guess if I would be more familiar and had a more second nature understanding or of the syntax and stuff before, it would have been way easier. But it definitely makes a difference to watch lessons and then immediately do exercises, rather than to have like long ass days of work and then trying to go into coding exercises directly. So that was the biggest thing I noticed today, because I did have to use ChatGPT a little bit more than I would have wanted to do the reducer function or the reduce function using the reducer function. Luckily, the putting in the filter and map function I didn't need help with that from ChatGPT. I mean, I will see. You didn't give me any feedback yet, so maybe I made some mistakes I didn't figure out yet. But yeah, maybe that's a good segue for you to.
Yeah, let's talk about it. So the first thing you mentioned, right, Steve, that you want to look at how Porsche stuff works under the hood. You can do that, but I have lost somebody yet, and I don't think it's very relevant. These tasks, these little homeworks that you did over the past few days, I think they're super relevant because they help you to understand how the native ARI method works. And to anyone watching, I can only recommend that you do the same. You also come up with these exercises. Ideally, you watch every stream and then you just do the homework at the same time that Mr. Anderson does them. But in this case, the reduce function is perfect. So this is completely perfect. These two, there's context missing. So as they stand right here, they don't work, right? We need something like function filter. And then, you tell me what we need basically.
Well, we definitely need the arguments for pred. But other than that, I mean,
So when we did the first exercise, we ended up with filter and map functions, right? And that's what I kind of need here. We need something so we can do console.log, filter of something, filter of something. But right now we have some loose reducer functions here, and there's just, a bit of puzzle pieces missing. Yeah, I can't talk of the third. Puzzle pieces missing here.
I didn't understand the last, those, or just mumble jumble the last 2 sentences.
So yeah, I'm just super tired. Basically, this is how we want to use it, right? But obviously we need to put stuff in here. But basically, in order to be able to say, hey, I think you got it, we need a filter function, we need a map function, not just some loose reducer functions, because there are quite a few puzzle pieces missing here.
Okay, I thought if we put this inside of the reduce function, then there's enough content.
Well, the reduce function shouldn't change, right? Because it's perfect as it is. So there's nothing that needs to be changed here.
I don't.
Implement.
I mean, to use the reducer function inside of the as an argument to put inside of the reduce function. Isn't that enough?
There's still stuff missing here, right? Okay. I can just do it, but then I'm implying that there's some stuff done correctly that I don't know if you would do it correctly. So I will kind of take away from the learning experience.
Okay, so the last homework was to define the map function using
for the for loop. That was before we did this, right? And now the homework was to define the reducer function with the for loop, which you did, but also
we defined the map function with the reduce function.
Yeah, exactly. We even had the step in between, exactly. And now we need to basically define the custom function and the custom map function using our custom reduce function.
Not sure if I fully get it. Do you know if I can remove the sidebar here in the in our streaming window, because where the chat is, because I can only see the screen very small when I have it side by side to my editor.
The slideshow with the chat, you mean in our studio?
Yes.
I don't think you. Oh yeah, you can just click it. You can at least click the thing that's open for you. So, for example, comments, you can click it and then it disappears.
Then it goes. Okay, for me nothing disappears.
So, well, I can send you the
Anyway.
difference real quick. Yeah.
Anyway, I put it onto a different screen then. Let me activate that other screen. Okay. So now I can see both. So now I can see the editor, and so when we did the map function using the reducer function, why can't I just copy what's inside of the reduce function inside of a reducer function to then put it into a new into the custom reduce function?
Well, you have to show me what you mean. I don't really. It could be that what you plan to do is correct, but it could also be wrong. Then I need to see what you want to do.
Yes, I'll send you what. Send you the. I mean, basically the homework that I showed you before, like. Let me send it.
So to solve this homework, basically what I need for you is a function named filter and a function named map.
Yes, those I did. Yes, I sent them to you.
Yes, and these were the ones with the native reduce function, right? And we want those with a custom reduce. Just for the people watching, this is what Leon just sent me. And these were from 2 weeks ago, where we implemented the custom functions with the native reduce. Now the task is to implement these two, or 3 days ago, and now we need to implement those with the custom reduce.
Yes, and I'm wondering, why can't I just copy what's inside of the reduce function and put it inside of the custom reduce function? Because like all the parameters are there, aren't they?
I mean, again, it could be that it's right, or you have could be that it's wrong. Yeah, do you want to show your screen, or want to tell me what you wrote with to do it?
No, I didn't write anything more than that. I didn't write anything more than I sent you, so I guess then there's something missing. But
yeah, because these are not implemented using your custom reduce function, but these are implemented using the native reduce. But we need the custom reduce somewhere in here. So there must be something like reduce.
Okay. Stop. I think I was thinking the wrong way around. I thought I would have to put the map function inside of the reduce function and not the other way around. So wait a second. I have to, like, the reduce function with the custom reducer function that I had today. Do I have to use this inside of these custom map function and custom filter function?
Yeah, basically you should implement the custom filter and the custom map function using your custom reduce function.
Okay, I thought it was the other way around. I thought I would have to put the map function inside of the reduce function.
Well, you cannot implement reduce with map. That's impossible because reduce is way more versatile than map. And same with filter. So the other way around would be impossible.
Okay, so map is not a reducer function. Map can't be used as a reduce self function, right?
We're getting weird, but yeah, you can use map inside of a reducer function.
But
Yeah,
that's not what you
I
wanted,
can
right?
write numbers dot like let's say usually example where we wrote there are 6 numbers here, and then we can say numbers dot reduce, and I don't know, we take the accumulator, the current value, and then I just make it an array for whatever reason, and say map. I don't know, say x times 2, and then we, I don't know, concat, or we say, hey, into the current accumulator, we push this result, right, and we start out with an empty array or something. Like, that's totally possible, and you can use map inside of the reducer function in some ways. But my point was, you cannot
But that's
implement
not
a
what you wanted
custom. Yeah,
from
no.
me. Okay.
Exactly. What the question was to implement filter using your custom reduce function. And implement the map using your custom reduce function.
Okay. Yeah. As you can see, my brain is a bit confusing some things at this level of at this time of the day. So okay, onto the next iteration of the homework.
Hey, okay, then we know what we're gonna do tomorrow. And for those that are watching and already got it, yeah, keep the solutions, don't follow them. And if you haven't done the homework, then do the homework. What are you waiting for?
Okay, at least I managed to do one step of the homework.
Yeah, the reduce function is perfect.
All right. Oh man. Okay. Well, then.
So that's it for the day. Or did you also watch some videos? Okay, sweet. Nice. Short and sweet stream. How we could clarify things today. As always, everyone keep coding. We are coming back every day for you, so you can come back every day too and just learn rules together, get better at coding. We're literally gonna go from 0 to senior developer here in 100 days of code and more, but we're starting with 100 days of code because that's what everyone does, and that's what you should do. Because once you get to over 3 months, which is 100 days, it'll just become part of you and it'll become just easy for you to do it. I think it's not already super easy, which is front of me is. So thank you everyone for watching. Keep coding. This has been the Code Call with
Leon Anderson, my mentor.
I was Neil today in brain dead fleeting mode. See you everyone.
Bye.